Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday. Today I'm going to just show you guys my spreads for this week. I did film the video, but the end of my tan footage cut off, and then the beginning of my Clever Fox footage cut off, and I didn't even realize it until I was editing. But I'm going to show you guys the spreads that I did, and then we're just going to go ahead and do the monthly spread in my Clever Fox planner. I was going to do it off camera, but I might as well just show you guys since I have nothing else really to share. But here is my spread for my Clever Fox planner, and I actually used these stickers from the Spring Happy Planner sticker book. I love this book. It's so fun, so colorful, and it's just so bright. And I thought, well, why not use this one? So I did. I incorporated these day covers were from my stash, and then every other sticker on here is from the sticker book. So we have these are like little notes, the florals. I love the little birds. I try to make those my theme. Spring is in the air, go play outside, and then this beautiful little flower. So I thought that was really pretty, and I'm going to continue with the spring theme in my notes. And then for my traveler's notebook, let me show you guys. This is the spread that I did, and I used this sticker book right here. I believe it's from Walmart, and I think Maritza had sent it to me, and I love it so much. I love the colors, definitely spring and summer vibes, so I just kind of went for it. It's starting to look a little more summer than spring, but I love it. Either way, it has like the yellows and the turquoise tones and the pinks, and it came out so pretty. And then again, I used some day covers, so I thought it came out really, really pretty, and I love it. So let's go ahead and start with this. I'm going to use this washi tape right here. It may be a little much because it's a lot of grid, but I kind of just want to make it really bold. So I'm just going to go for it. And we're going to go ahead and add the washi tape. I'm going to bring it all the way through, just like that. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and I hope you guys had a great week. I'm pre-filming this video, so technically when you guys see it, I'll be at the Chicago Planner Conference, hopefully having the time of my life. And I'm hoping to meet a lot of new people, you know, including Stephanie Fleming. Last I saw her Instagram post, if you guys don't know who Stephanie Fleming is, she is the creator of the Happy Planner, and oh my gosh, I love her. And she is supposed to be a guest speaker at the Chicago Planner Conference, so I'm really hoping she's there. I think last I saw on her Instagram post, she was in the hospital, I think, so hopefully she's okay. Alright, let's go ahead and cut off all this excess washi tape. Just using a good old Christmas gift card from Starbucks. Perfect. Alright, and then I don't need to add any date covers because, you know, the dates are already there, and I'm okay with that. But I am going to add this March right here. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it, when did March start? Sunday. So it would be right here, right? So let's go ahead and put this right here. Love that. And then we're going to go ahead and add our dates. So the first is Sunday, and I don't even, oh I do. This may take me a little bit because I'm going to put in the numbers individually. I like to put the numbers, these big numbers on here because somehow the 2 is missing. Oh, here. Because then I don't have to do a lot of decorating because the numbers itself are like pretty good. I can just add a few stickers here and there, and it'll be nice and done. So here's 3. When you have nails, it's a little bit harder. But even without nails, it's still a little hard. All right. My puppy's been having the time of his life having me here. I was off Thursday, and then the registration for the Chicago Planner Conference started Friday at 5, so my plan was to leave the house like around 3-ish. So he had me for the entire morning, and he is just loving it. All right. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. I gotta make sure I count, because sometimes I count wrong. And I don't even know what date this month goes up to, so I'm just gonna kind of leave the 30th and the 31st alone. I'm pretty sure there's a 29. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then the 15 is down here. Oh, the 16 is also missing. $17. So, I think it was, who was it? Was it Jules? Someone had recommended, for me to use the new paper Sunday planner as like a daily like feeling kind of thing, like to write down each day like how I'm feeling, even if it's like one sentence. Like say today I'm feeling this way, and you know, tomorrow I can put today I'm feeling happy or sad or mad or whatever. And I think that's exactly how I'm going to use it. I loved that idea, and I think that's how I want to use that planner. And I think I am going to go back and like pre-decorate for just, you know, I have so many stickers I can use up. So I might as well try. 26. Alright, we're almost done. 27. And then 28. And then the 29 is probably going to go here. I don't know. I hope this is right. I can't look yet. I'll leave it up to the 29, and then if I have to put the 30 and the 31st there, I'll put it there. But that's what that looks like. Love it so far. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and add a few stickers. We're just going to do like spring theme ones. So we can do this one like spring cleaning. I actually started spring cleaning already. What do you call it? I moved all the furniture in my room, minus one that was too heavy, and I cleaned out the closet and dusted everything. So, yes. We'll do this planted garden, even though I don't garden. But it's still like a fun summer theme, spring theme. And, let's see. And we'll put this little typewriter. Alright, and then we'll add a few stickers from here. Let's see what we can use. Put this one right here. just use these little ones that are here. Alright. Oh, there's a few more. And like that. Perfect. Alright, so that's nice and decorated, and then I feel like I can add a few more. Let's go ahead and add this little bunny right here, because they're probably going to start coming out and it's going to be so cute. Alright, and then let's go ahead and add another bird, because I'm obsessed with these little birds. I've been hearing the birds singing and I love that. Alright, and then so cute. Love that. Very pretty. Alright, I think I am just about done. If there's a quote I can add, maybe hello spring, peonies please. Peonies. Let's see. And I think there was this one. Perfect. Alright, and there you have it, you guys. That is my monthly spread in my Clever Thoughts planner, and I love it so much. It's so pretty. I just have to find like numbers and put like 2020, and other than that, that's pretty much it. And then just to show you guys one more time, that's my spring theme, and then that's my spring / motivation into summer theme. I love it so much. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!